with Grand Sabon handcrafted soap. Today I will show you guys how I add milk in my soap making. This is how I prepare the goat milk or any milk that we will be using in making soap. First, we will freeze the milk. And for this video, we will use goat milk in making soap. So we will put the milk in our ice cubes. And we will freeze this. And this milk, this will be our liquid for our soap making. Always use gloves to protect our skin from burning in case of accident. Eye protection when we make our lye solution. Now we will weigh our liquid, which is goat milk. Let's turn this to 0. Our liquid for this recipe, we will use goat milk, and it's 19.76. Then we need 9 ounces more. We use a bigger container in mixing our goat milk with our the lye. Gradually, we will add our lye or sodium hydroxide to our freezed goat milk. In this way, our milk will not get burned or will not turn brown or yellow. Just be patient, guys, in making your lye solution. Goat milk is very moisturizing. We have a beautiful goat milk. It's still white, it's not brown, and it doesn't create fumes if we use freeze or frozen milk or cold milk. Let's make sure that we'll mix this thoroughly to dissolve the lye or the sodium hydroxide beads. Let's continue to stir until all our sodium hydroxide are completely mixed and dissolved. And as you can see, guys, we have a very nice color, white color goat milk. It did not burn and it did not turn brown. This is beautiful. And it stays cold. The temperature of our goat milk stays cold, which is very good. We need room temperature lye solution. This is how we prepare goat milk in making soap. If you have questions, guys, please comment down below and I will answer your questions. It's beautiful. It stays white and it stays cold. Okay, so this is ready to mix with our oil. So this is how we prepare our goat milk in making soap. If you like this video, guys, please like and just hit the like button and subscribe.